So the oil strainer is now clean. When we removed it, there are lots of debris that got stuck here at the strainer screen. I don't know why this version of the KJ doesn't have the what do you call that, the NBSP's main bearing support plate. The ano yung oil baffle. The oil baffle plate is there's no oil baffle here. So that's the oil pan. So the V6 engine is upside down. You will see here that this is the drain for the coolant for the block. Whenever you want to flush out your old coolant and water, you need to open this blind plug. Since the design of the V6 engine, the K8, KF, KL, and the KJ, the coolant will not go out of the engine not unless you open up this plug. So to kill the corrosion, we apply this our special rust converter. Pating sa loob ay dito hindi pa nga na So this is the oil cooler installed, and now to install the heat shield. This is the heat shield for the oil cooler against the heat of the exhaust manifold with a built-in catalytic converter. And that's the coolant line for the oil cooler. It's a water to oil cooler.